Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. In this video I will take a look at how to use the Avada Hidden Field Element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The Avada Hidden Field Element allows the inclusion of unmodified and hidden data within a form submission. This element serves to pass predefined values or metadata with the submission without requiring user interaction. This element can be used in many ways, but let's just look at a simple example. Let's say we have an advertising campaign directing users to the form, and we want to identify exactly where the user came from. Enter the hidden field element. I've imported the online school pre-built, and I'm going to add a hidden field into the enrollment form here. It doesn't really matter where it's added, but I will just add it at the end here. This element only has a few options. Let's go through them. The first option is field label. As it says in the description, this will not be visual, but it is used for HubSpot matching. I'm going to call this source. The field name is for internal use and can be used as a placeholder in form submissions. I want to track UTM source, so that's what I will call it. Following this is the field value. This is what is submitted with the form. Note how you can use dynamic data here. So for this example, I'm going to select dynamic data and find request parameter. Under the param type, I want get, and under query var, I will add UTM underscore source. Okay, in the same way, I could add another hidden field to track the campaign used with the query var of UTM underscore campaign. Okay, that's all we need to do with our form. Let's save that. Now let's say we have a link on social media that points to this form. The link has to contain both the UTM source and UTM campaign. So the link might look something like this. So now if someone clicks on that link, they are taken to the form, and when they submit it, the UTM source and campaign are captured by the hidden field elements. So now if we go to the form builder, we can see our submissions. And that's because in the actual form, under Form Options, Submissions, I set the Save to Database action. So if I click on View All Details of the latest submission, we can see the UTM source and the UTM campaign information. Taking this one step further, we could then connect our form to Google Sheets to map the submissions to evaluate the success of our advertising campaign. See the How to Connect Avada Forms with Google Sheets doc and video for more information on that. Okay, that's the hidden field element, and just one example of how it could be used. How can you use it? Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.